Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make Kanye West in Infinite Craft, fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that we will need is we're gonna go for earth right here, and then we're gonna add water into earth to create plant, and then from here we're gonna add another earth right here. And then from here, we're going to wind into it so that we would have dust and combine it with plant to create pollen. And then from here, we're going to add water into it to create honey. And then from here, we're going to add a plant, and then we're going to go add a wind to the plant so that we would have dandelion, and then add water into it to create wine. And then after that, you want to add a wind into wine to create balloon. And then after that is you want to add fire into it to create pop. And then just combine it with honey to create hip hop. And then from here, we're just gonna add wind into hip hop, and then we would have rap. And then once you have rap, add balloon into it, and then we would have rapper. And then once you have rapper, you wanna go for earth right here, and then you wanna go for dust into earth so that you would have planet. And then once you have planet, what you wanna do is add another planet into it to create a star. And then once you have the star, you want to add pop into it so that you would have celebrity. So once you have celebrity, you want to go and do this right here. You want to go and combine it with rapper, and then you would have Kanye West. So that is basically it.